Hey guys, so we are working on creating around 1,000 tests for Foobara Python here currently, and as you guys can see, um, we have a coordination here going on with other agents running in the background for fulfilling our tasks. Okay, so they are here, as you guys can see. If I want to go and see them in real time, I can also go and see, like here, and they use the same tools, right? So here they are using Flukebase right now. So with Flukebase they can get access to the context, memory, and other features to run something like that as well. And basically how it works is when any of those four agents finishes, we will be notified here in our Claude Code session, and then it will continue, right? It will span a new task because I determined that we will have 3 to 4 agents working on different tasks at a time. So in some cases, one agent can take over more than one task. In others, it's just one task because it's a bigger task. Here, they are pretty much taking one task each and then generating around 200 tests in each of those runs, right? We have one that just completed here. So basically, I don't need to do anything, right? I can just raise my hand here and watch what our tool is doing for us. Under the hood, there are a lot of code that um, helps guiding those different agents towards what they need to do, to verify what they are doing. There are some research as well that they do. There are some ways as well to use Flukebase where you don't really have, you can delegate fully, right, to them. So they will discover new tasks. Um, they will be starting the new tasks and just working, right? They will be working. But the best way to use those kind of features, in my understanding, is when you already have a PRD, a bigger PRD that determines what are the steps, the features that you want in each steps of those phases. Maybe you can call it phases. It doesn't really matter. Or batches, and then you do batch by batch, like this one is also a batch. And we have a new tool that is being released very soon that gives you this experience here using Flukebase. So if you're not signed up already, I recommend you sign up so you always stay up to date in what is the latest tooling around AI and how to develop code and even research or other tasks much faster using those structured approach, this structured approach. Let's take a look in our agents here. They are still running. We have 4 right now, as you guys can see. So each of them has their own context window as well. This is how we do it, right? So this one is the newer one, right? So this is running for 8 minutes, 58 tools used, and this one 44 tools, 8 minutes, 122,000 tokens used. Anyway, you can also configure what model you want to use. So this is a great benefit if you are trying to do it manually to reach that kind of coding experience. You would have to dump in bigger code inputs, or maybe you structure it in a Claude.md file to get this behavior, but um, there is a lot under the hood that you can abstract, like coding does for the user experience in the browser, right? Generally. So that's the same approach here. We have this system where he can just span the agents, he will be notified, and this is how we are doing it. So as you guys can see, just right now, one completed, and I think the other one it will complete as well. So as you guys can see, we get updates in real time. We don't need to do anything, right? So if you are not experiencing code development like this, I suggest you can take a look in our website at Flukebase, and this is how it's being done, right? All of the agents, they test things internally as well. That's how they sum up the amount of the stats here that appear. And then of course we can also compare it with what we are working on or comparing with. In this case specifically, it's a bit easier, this project, because it's an existing Ruby code base that I'm trying to replicate using Python. So this means I have a good starting point, right? I have a real code that I can refactor there. If you guys, for example, have already an existing code base in any language, you can plug in the tooling necessary for this kind of workflow experience, and then start building new features with it, start iterating, right? Many of the newer companies right now, they leverage those workflows that I'm showing you guys in real time here, um, to create different versions of their existing code base, and then come up with a better version after having multiple examples, multiple different ones, right? And with our system here, we can also achieve that. There are some of the features that are a bit more advanced around orchestration that I'm not showing here right now, but we can dive into that in a future video in this same channel here, the Cancellate channel. So stay tuned. What is going on here? If you guys have any questions or comments, just write it below, and I'm very happy to be answering those as well. Okay, so basically that's it. Our agents are still working here. I will have to go, unfortunately, but our agents will be working anyway, right? So that's it. Thank you for today, for attending this small video here.